to my channel. Now I have a visitor. Let's welcome him.
Yeah! Hello!
Yeah, this is Popsy. He will have a channel soon.
I hope so.
Now we are going to do I prefer tag questions. Are you ready?
What is it?
Well, to those who don't know, Popsy is my friend from the school. No, he's my co-teacher and he is from
Philippines!
Ilo! Hello sa mga Ilonggo dyan!
Kamusta ka mo da?
Okay, so the I prefer tag questions. I just saw this in one of the YouTuber. Are you ready?
Okay.
Number 1 question is a car or a SUV? Car or SUV?
I think car.
Car. Okay. Chicken or fish?
Fish. Festo.
Pescatarian. A son or a daughter? Oh, by the way, Popsy is single and available. If you have someone, hit him.
Son.
Son?
Yeah.
Why not daughter?
For firstborn, because if it's a boy, then he will carry the surname.
Like explain. Okay.
Like explain.
Hoops or studs?
Ha?
Hoops or studs?
Ano yan?
Yung mga studs, yung mga ganyan, oh. Or hoops.
I think studs.
Studs.
Easy.
Looks good, no? Satin or velvet?
Satin.
A date or a run through?
Run through. No commitment. Run through. After finish.
Walang hiya ito. A lick or a stick? Or lick or suck?
What?
What is this? A lick,
PG.
a stick, or lick or suck? Skip the question. Skip the question. Okay. Basketball or football?
Football. I like to kick. Kick someone.
Okay, next. Hip-hop or R&B?
R&B.
Slow dancing or fast dancing?
Slow dance. Because I'm slow.
Sweet. Romantic, diba?
Uh-huh.
Slow dancing is romantic. A ballad or a pop?
Ballad. I like ballad. I like slow music.
Short hair or long hair?
For who?
I don't know. For you, maybe.
For me, I like short hair.
For a girl?
For a girl, long hair.
That's me!
Yay!
Joke. Okay, next. Horror or sci-fi?
Sci-fi. I'm scared now. Before, I like horror, but now sci-fi is better. Okay.
Next is, I think, drama or comedy?
Comedy. I don't like drama in life.
I like drama. But I don't like drama in life. But I like to watch drama. Ngayon at kailanman.
Patay tayo.
Next, scripted or reality?
Reality is good, but scripted is good too.
But I think reality shows are also scripted.
Yeah.
Think so? Or edited?
Yeah, because some of the reality have to edit sometimes.
Okay. So the last question is,
what?
Are you ready for commitment?
No! I'm still young.
Wow!
Still young.
Okay, next question is, who are you tagging?
I'm tagging?
Me! You tag me!
I tag you?
Tag me, I'm the one who asked question. We will tag the people who are watching this.
Yeah!
Okay, so everyone, thank you so much for watching. That's all for I prefer tag questions. Okay, next time would be Filipino tag. You know Filipino tag?
I don't know.
Okay. Bye-bye! Subscribe!